In this video, I'm going to be clarifying a little bit more on Wishoo, this new social media platform that allows you to earn some money for simply sharing some content. So basically on this platform, you can share videos and photos, and you can get paid whenever your content is liked or upvoted. So I'm going to be sharing with you how it actually works and show you what are the requirements. I have confirmed everything, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to be able to post on this platform. So if you are interested in adding a stream of income, to add something that is long-term and is consistent and is passive, you just have to do your work once, and then for as long as your content is ranking, you basically get paid, right? Let's get straight into it. This is the platform, is called Wishoo, and basically here you can post some videos and pictures and you basically get paid, right? So the viewers and the content creators both get paid on this platform. So as you can see right over there, you can earn 1 Ecoin for upvoting your favorite content. So you can upvote up to 30 posts per day, and you have to use them wisely. So basically what this means is that when you upvote a picture or a video, you basically get paid for doing that, right? So at the moment it seems like they have actually upgraded this platform. Now you need to use the Brave browser to be able to do this. So it's very simple. You just have to download the Brave browser and then log in, and then you'll be able to continue with this, right? Because right now I'm actually using Chrome for the purpose of this video. But basically you before you can upvote anything, you actually have to watch the videos if it's a video. But if it's a picture, then you just have to upvote it if you like it, or if you don't, you can just leave it. Okay. So because when you actually upvote content, that means you are helping it rank on higher pages, right? So that they get more views. So if it's not good content, then why upvote it, right? So you need to upvote things that are actually good content. So that is what they meant by use your upvotes wisely, because they also, if you are, let's say you actually content creator as well, that means when you're upvoting other people's content that is similar to yours, that means you're creating more competition for yourself, right? So you also need to be wise on that one as well. So but what I want to show you right now is that actually to be able to share something over here, you just simply come here and then click on this blue button over here, ready to share something exciting, right? So when you click on this, they'll actually show you what are the requirements, right? You need to have at least 40,000 Ecoins in your wallet. So what this means is that you actually need to have this in your Wombat wallet. So in the previous video, I think I'm going to link it up somewhere up here, I showed you how to set up your Wombat wallet. So Wombat wallet is actually a cryptocurrency that allows you to keep these Ecoins and everything on your account, right? And a lot of other cryptocurrencies on this wallet that you can keep. So basically, if you are not seeing Ecoin over here, all you have to do is just click on this plus button over here and then look for Ecoin over here, right? So use this Ecoin new, the old one, it seems like it doesn't work anymore. So just select this one. Just by ticking over here, that means it's already added to the list, right? So if I untick this one, you will notice that EOS is actually gone, it's no longer there. So that's how you simply add your coins, right? So if I want to add something else, I mean, there's just a lot of coins over here. You can just add any of these coins that you are making use of, like USD Tether, like that, and then basically it's added to the list, right? So that's basically how you add it if you're not seeing your list over there. But basically you need to have that 40,000 on this account to be able to post. So if you have those 40,000 Ecoins, that means you don't have to do anything else. But if you don't have 40,000, you only have 5,000 Ecoins in your wallet, that means you also need to have 50 fully valid referrals. So what this means is actually, if I take you to my dashboard over here, you can see that I have 34 fully valid referrals. But then if we come back to the bottom here, you can see I have just valid. There are about 98 of those people that have joined, but then they're not fully valid, meaning that these people cannot actually withdraw from their account, right? So that's why they're not fully valid. They haven't confirmed using the WhatsApp. So I'm going to link again another video up here to show you how to get fully valid using the WhatsApp method. But they used to use the Telegram bot as well. So if you also, if by any chance it has changed and they're back to the Telegram bot, you can always look around on this channel. There's that video also it's also on this channel, right? So you can look for that video, how to get fully valid using the Telegram bot. But currently the method is using WhatsApp. So I'm going to link the video up here, as I said, so you can refer to that video if you're not yet fully valid, right? So once you're fully valid, that means you're actually able to withdraw your Ecoin. So This is what they mean over here when you have that at least 5,000 ecoins on your account, on your Wombat wallet or other wallets that are available, because you can actually also link up this QX wallet. You can also link up with that one, but I use Wombat because it's available on almost all platforms, right? You can get it on your Android device, Apple device, and also on the Chrome App Store. So this makes it easier for me to use it, right? So this is why I use Wombat, and as I said, the video, I've linked it up. You can go check it out if you want to know how to set up your own Wombat wallet. Once you have that set up, that means you need to have those 50 fully valid referrals over here, right? So you need to refer as much people as you can and then ask them to get their account fully valid, and then you're going to need to withdraw at least 5,000 from these accounts. Now there are restrictions on withdrawing, right? So at the moment you are allowed to withdraw up to 2,000 ecoins per month, right? So up to 2,000 ecoins per month. But basically there's a video that I'm going to be doing right now on how to increase your limits on withdrawals, right? So I'm going to be sharing with you some insights on that, on how you'll be able to actually withdraw much more than just 2,000 ecoins per month. That way you'll be able to have that 5,000 straight to your ecoin account you know, in an instant, right? So basically, as you can see right here, I have 51,000 ecoins on my account right now. This is the money that is available for me to withdraw, but then again, due to restrictions, limitations, I can only withdraw up to 2,000 per month, right? So it will take quite a long time for me to actually be able to withdraw all of this to my account and to get that 40,000 that is needed for me to be able to post, right, without having any need for referrals or whatsoever. Or you also can have 5,000 ecoins in your wallet plus 100 fully valid referrals, right? So with these 50 ones, you actually need to have like 5 referrals every last 2 days. So you have to keep on increasing them, right, until they get to 100, whereby you just don't have to have more referrals coming every single day, right? So that is the requirements for you to be able to post on Wishoo. But once you post here, basically you can enjoy some passive income, right? So look, if you take a look over here, this is one of the posts that I did when they were still in the beta mode, so I was able to actually post on this platform. So this is a video that I was sharing with you on how to actually verify your account using the WhatsApp. So if you can also come and watch it over here on Wishoo if you can find it. But basically this is the platform over here. This is the video that I'm referring to, that I'm also going to link up on this video, so that you can go and get your account fully valid, so that you are able to withdraw, right? So this is basically, you set it up and then you'll be able to just, every time you get likes, you also get the ecoins, right? That's certain amount of ecoins that you get, right? So this is 978 because I've also earned for basically for liking posts, right? So liked post 14, as you can see over there, I've got 1 post, and then I got my own likes 910. So if you add that up, that basically gives us that 978 over there, I think, for both posting and liking other people's content, right? So that's basically the ways that you earn on this platform, and I just wanted to clear it out on how much exactly you need to be able to post on this platform, right? So it's an exciting platform, I would say. I mean, it's passive income, very simple. Post a picture, post a video. It doesn't have to be your own video. It can be anybody's video. I mean, if you can take a look at this, these are just videos that are interesting, right? So that are very interesting and that attract people's attention, so that they can actually view your videos and upvote them, or pictures that you have seen. Like this one's very attractive. But basically that is how this platform works. You can upvote pictures and videos and get paid for doing that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a short video. I wanted to show you how to qualify for Wishoo and basically earn some free money, you know, for posting things, get paid to do everything. I mean, we already post on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, but most of us don't really get paid for that. So Wishoo is changing the game with that, and it's very interesting. So if you got any questions, you can always hit me up in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, we have a Telegram group where you can join, and they are more active because we can interact, right, in the group, and other people can also answer you if they are available. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.